Ron, say hello to the people. Seal the seal.
Hello.
Where are you guys going in?
Into the Swifto spice rack.
Okay. And what are you making?
I'm making some chicken ackee.
Letterman. And who's there at the back there? Shelly the Wally. And who's watching? Sunny. Are we getting people today? Put some of these little ornaments here. So Wasila, who taught you to make vegan acne?
I'm just starting that.
And what's all in here?
Pink cinnamon, cardamom, crushed chilies, thyme, curry leaves,
Bay leaves, allspice.
yeah, different things.
Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. She's just doing some fresh garlic. Shelly, what are you doing now?
I'm making Opa's breakfast.
And what are you making for him?
Biscuits and then
Cream crackers with cheese. And coffee.
yes.
Yeah, I got some gifts from my publisher. And here's my books. I'm just signing some here. Lindy's here. Her name is Lindy Summary. She's my publisher and she is the best book publisher, cookbook publisher in South Africa. And she's got an award for it. I'm very proud of her.
Ek het jou lanklaas gesien, my skat. It's been a year, né?
Yes.
Ja, but
There we are. I love you too much, Lindy.
I'm sorry, these are not sweet peas, my dear, but this is, you know what we could get. Hey, Melanie is going to be a bit late, Fatima. Hey.
Wag, ons gaan nou babbel.
This is for you, ja. Hey.
Oh, man. Thank you so much for coming.
No, don't thank us. We are just happy that you could make the time. Hey. You know, we're not used to cameras. Hey. Hey. Deze is goed voor je.
Hallo Melanie. Die mensen gaan weet wie jij is op mijn channel.
We just come. My dear Fatima was 1.5 to 2 hours.
You mustn't swear.
So that you know we don't was pity for your 80, but apparently I'm in here 2.5 hours later. Thank you so much for receiving us. That's for you only. And like I said, Fatima, Jay Psychos.
I love you guys.
What did you say? What did you say? Yeah, JS Tigers. Like last
No,
week.
Jay Psychos.
Charmaine,
Yes.
stunning and vivacious. I'm coming now. I want to take over the. Okay, guys, I'm at the braai by my friends. Oh, look at this.
Actually didn't feel anything, but it was kind of sore.
Wow,
It was actually kind of bad.
looks amazing.
I have a play in the 31st of September.
Are you in the play?
Yeah, it's Alice in Wonderland, but I didn't get the tie props on our bodies, and then it was dance.
Is she cutie? Cutie,
know that.
cutie, yes.
We used to braai every week when we lived in Gauteng. To braai every
It smells amazing, eh?
But there was
What spice do you have on? It's very nice.
It's nice. It smells like it.
Yeah.
there's more.
I like it, but it's not.
Yummy in my tummy. Jy sien dit altyd not burnt, not burnt.
Marinate a lot.
Is that the name of the braai? Not burnt. Okay, guys, this is the day after all the visitors, and when I went to my friends, I didn't stay long because I couldn't, and this whole day filled with love and joy. I so appreciated it. Even the evening last night, I was still smiling from ear to ear. It's very important to have that support and that love, and just loving on each other. So I've put in snippets. I hope you enjoyed it. There's photos also. Hope you enjoyed that. I want to put music over it, some of the quiet parts, but I don't know how yet. My niece was going to show me yesterday, but we just got too busy. So she's going to teach me how to do that, and I'm going to do more vlogs. And yes, and just take snippets of what's happening here in my home, in my kitchen, and when people come and what we do. And yeah, just celebrating the people I love and how much they mean to me. Okay, that's me. Over and out. Flight, my story said. Okay, bye everyone. Love you. Okay, guys, this is the card I received from my publishing house, NB Publishers, and the staff there, and my cookbook editor. Look at that. With all the well wishes and everything. Beautiful. Look there. So beautiful. I love this so much. I love it so much. Thank you, guys.